We got the pool video. We're leaving forever and ever and ever. Just to the north of the island where the things are.
We're going to Klong Klong.
Say it again.
Klong Klong beach.
Show me what your tongue do.
Klong Klong.
So good.
It's okay.
Okay, we're trying to be cool about it because Nan's quickly sneaking in a coffee for me because I'm dying now. We're checking out.
Don't worry.
And we have the lady.
Yeah, this is like a thriller mystery, okay? Because the lady,
She's pretending to be blind as well, I think.
she's gonna she finds out that we're using the kitchen still.
It's the worst coffee you've ever had.
Why? Don't be stressed. It's totally fine. Aram se aur add kar le.
Just add more coffee.
Listen,
She looks non-stressed. I like it. Stir it.
सुन आंटी बहुत chill है, टेंशन मत लो.
Sunanti.
हाँ, मैंने उनसे बात
I
कर ली.
wonder who's Sunanti. It's like it's so bad.
Why?
Sunanti.
और कॉफी और ले आना. दे चम्मच तो दे दे.
What's the problem?
It's really warm and bad.
ठीक है
Drink
वैसे.
with my hand.
Actually, it's not bad, but पानी.
I drink it with sugar. That's
Actually,
why.
no, it's
Why
actually.
haven't you put sugar though?
Oh, because you don't.
Slap me.
You like it.
Oh, it's pointless.
Baby mata sa.
Anyway, I can do better.
That's why we put our bags. We're heading to the north of the island. People do it the other way around. We've done it in reverse. We're passing these beautiful resorts that are there. Hopefully the next time when we're here, we can actually stay in one of these.
You don't hope for that.
I do.
Then you could have just done it this time, loser.
No. I don't want it this time. I want it the next time once I've already done the island. Now that I've felt the ground reality, I can have
You haven't felt the spirits of Koh Lanta yet.
I did. On the other island. But that wasn't Koh Lanta. That was which one side where I felt the island breathing?
Our itinerary was so amazing before we came. Fifi. Here, there.
One day party Fifi. Gotta do it. And then it's just 5 nights in Koh Lanta.
No, because it's quite chill here, you know what I mean?
And one day excursion that destroyed us.
Okay, we're checked in. Not checked in. We've just kept our bags at this villa, but look at the spot. Check-in is going to be a little bit later.
Let's go, baby.
This is such a crazy.
got this, baby.
They gave us a bag of weed and free beer as a welcome drink. We've never ever come across something like this before. This villa space is expansive and beautiful. I mean, I don't think I expected this at all.
Yo, this is quite insane.
It's a bit of a walk, but it's okay. We have scooters that we can park into our villa, but you can see almost all of them have been, someone or the other is living there. But whoa, look at that. Okay, this is exactly how a Goa villa was. You know, something like that. That's what I meant by the terrace.
I'm ready to trip, dog.
Do we have me too. Tonight is going to be our half moon party. In the middle of absolutely nothing in the north of Koh Lanta lies this really cute spot called Slow Bar. Specialty being, of course, coffee, and they have all different kinds. I love how adorable it is. And you can choose in a classic way. They call it a black, a white, a filter, and a mother.
No sleep. Let's go. We're here at the Slow Bar.
I want an iced one.
And we've got homegirl here too. We've got girls here. It's a sick spot. What do you want to have?
I wanted something iced. Maybe I can get like an Asian.
Asian,
Yeah.
like a Thai style.
Yeah, like a Thai style, really strong coffee.
Normally I don't have condensed milk here.
Oh, it's okay. Just make it with milk then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most delicious.
No way.
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah, but in the 5-star hotel, you know.
Wow. And they made it. The chef made it.
This guy is so nice. 2 of them.
Wow.
Indian.
Beautiful.
So good.
That's the Ananta Resort.
Yeah, Ananta
Oh, what is
I
that?
work both of
Okay.
them.
Oh yeah.
Phuket.
That's crazy.
Oh, you used to work there?
How did you come here? How did you end up coming here to Koh Lanta?
My family here, normally they move to here, so I just come back and just try to do something.
This is amazing. This is like amazing.
When did you set this up? When you opened
How long?
this?
Now it's about like 1 year and 7 months.
Oh,
Wow.
wow, congratulations.
And wow, baby, I'm jealous. This looks good. This looks good. Look at this color. Look at this color.
That's incredible. That's an
Yo.
SCN.
It's amazing.
That's a SCN. That's a Thai style iced latte.
coffee.
But it's different here because
Low
no
condensed milk.
no.
She doesn't
I'm not a
really like
fan.
condensed milk, so it's good.
And I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah, this is amazing. Oh man, this looks
This
insane.
latte and stronger than
Thank
normal.
you. Perfect. Thank you so much. And whenever, so we love coffee. Yeah. So
Really?
before
It's
coming to
so
Koh Lanta, we
It's-
were searching which and everywhere slow bar.
Do you know how many coffees we've had in Thailand by now? We have like minimum 3 coffees a day.
Good.
We always do it, and we look for different places wherever we go.
Coffee is always good if you have it.
And it's like good
And
coffee.
good coffee is so
It's a
good.
completely different thing. Like
Good
this
coffee is so good.
This needs an award.
Yeah.
Alright, clap.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One of the best spots in Koh Lanta for lunch, for food, for just being on the beach vibe. Look at this. We're on the beach, baby, and good food. I don't think you could ask for more. Here we go. She's already ordering.
Come on.
We hungry.
Getting a selfie.
She's getting a selfie.
I got a new cap.
Look at this digital nomad.
The definition of a digital nomad. That's true.
If you're in the island of Koh Lanta, don't miss out on breakfast, lunch or dinner here.
At
Right.
Yahwee.
Yeah.
Yes, go. Let's go. Let's go to Yahwee.
That's it. That's a lot.
You have more. We don't need. We have a lot.
Alright, let's party. मेरे में तो 3 prawn है.
Or are there? There's chicken also. Look.
See how smart I am to order 2 things? Because I
Very
knew
smart.
the order will be small.
I also ordered 2 things. This is my second thing.
Oh, she's smelling it with the pepper.
Yeah.
Should I wipe it? Do you want me to wipe it?
Is it okay?
Water se nikal.
Oh, lady,
Should I dunk it in the glass?
She
Oh,
got it.
it's fine.
She got it.
Does he come with the villa? Oh, hi. That's the one. Or
Number 7, baby.
is it number 7?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it was meant to be. That's what's behind my 7.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah, it's number 7. See, it is. Told you.
That is incredible.
Oh, wow. Yo.
And it came with a floaty.
And it came with a
Okay,
floaty.
this is just turning out to be unreal. Okay. Savita.
Yo,
That,
Boys
look
and
at
girls.
that view.
it's the jungle.
And it's the
Welcome to
corner
jungle,
villa.
baby.
Sweetheart, how are we feeling, guys?
Yo, there we go.
Are we feeling really good?
We out here, Ananta Villas hooked us up. Look at that.
It's amazing. It's amazing. We really wanted a slightly secluded villa, and this is exactly what we wanted. I wanted a floaty, and that's happened. And they got our bags in there. Okay, that is so sick. Look at that. So that's one room right here. Little pool with the deck and everything. And this the second room that, okay, well that was dumb. I don't know. I'm not good at these things. Okay. That's the second one. Tiny little elephant. Woo! And let me just check the bathroom actually. Because that is one of my needs. And Jesus! It is in... what? Beautiful open air shower. It's... oh my god, this is so crazy. This is literally what I wanted. And I feel blessed. I feel really blessed.